on, guys? So today we're gonna be unboxing a couple cases from your boys, Tudia, Tudia, Tudia. I think that's how you pronounce it. Alright, guys. So first thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox this one, then this one. Tudia. It says, okay, this one's ultra slim, lightweight, rised up for protection. I always like that, dude. Rised up for protection. Protects your screen so you don't have scratches on your screen, so you can lay your phone flat on it. I really do like that. Okay. I don't know why it says 8G. It's not an iPhone 8 generation. It's not an iPhone 8. It's an iPhone 10. So yeah, it says it's for the iPhone 8, but it's not. This is the iPhone 10. So we're gonna just ignore that, and we're gonna just try this case on, guys. So right here, it's a pretty simple case, as you guys can see that. Just a pretty simple silicone case, pretty flimsy, pretty flexible. It does have a good look to it too, though. Like, as you can see, the carbon fiber accents on the top and the bottom, and a little grip on the side so you can hold it nice and firm. Okay, and the buttons, my mic's on. Okay, good. As you guys already know, I really like this. If you can hear that, the buttons are really good and really easy to press. I hate when cases are like plastic and the buttons are just super hard to press, and that's just super annoying, and I hate that. No one really likes that at all. But with this case, I do like it because the buttons are really easy to press. And overall, guys, this case actually looks really, really good. I like the carbon fiber accents, like the carbon fiber on the top and bottom. I really like that touch. As you can see on the bottom, it has all the ports, so you're all good there. And it doesn't, not like this one where it doesn't have as much protection on the bottom of the phone. So that's what I like about this one. It is a little bit thicker than this Apple case, just a little bit, maybe like 2 millimeters, something like that. Not, honestly, maybe 3. Not too bad though. Another thing that I do like on the back of it right here, as you can see on the camera, it's cut up a little bit wider, so you can see what color iPhone you do have. So if you have a black one or a space gray one, then you can see the space gray around the camera. Or if you have silver, in my case, you can see the white around the camera like that. So if you do like that, it's really nice. The camera does not protrude, so when you lay it down like that, your camera's not going to touch the surface or anything like that. And also, it does have the surface protection on the front, so if you want to lay it down the front like that. And overall, I do like this case a lot. Not too bulky at all. It is super light, like they said. Did they say it on this one? Yeah. Lightweight, ultra slim. It is ultra slim and lightweight. So I would give this one, honestly, guys, a probably if you like black, if you like the color black and like carbon fiber, honestly, like an 8 out of 10. I really do like this case. Whoa. Okay, guys. So for the next one, this is like a 2-piece case, I'm pretty sure. It says the same exact things: ultra slim, lightweight, and raised up for protection. Raised up for protection. Gonna get this thing open. And it also says iPhone 8, which this is not an iPhone 8. And it is a 2-piece case. Whoa, what is that? Okay, yeah, guys. So this is called the Mergr Case, just because that's 2 pieces, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty much, honestly, guys, it's built exactly the same. As you can see, there's like air vents through the holes, as you can see, like through the volume buttons right there. There's little holes. I don't really know why. Maybe just to make it like easier to press or something like that. This is a 2-piece case, so I'm guessing it's gonna be, yeah, it's definitely a little bit thicker than the other one. Okay, so it is a little bit thicker, as you can see right here. It's not as thin as this one right here, which this one is thinner than the Apple case. So this one is, I would say, 2 millimeters thicker than this one. Just like a bulkier case, so for more protection. Case is raised so the screen does not touch the surface, just like the other case that we just went over. So I do really like that. Every case nowadays should honestly have this where it's just raised, so you don't have to be worried about putting your phone on the face. And I don't know why cases wouldn't have that, to be honest. But yeah, I do like this case. It's a little bulky, and I don't really like bulk for me. But if you don't mind bulk and you want a little bit more protection, then I would honestly go with this case right here, guys. And guys, the case that we've all been waiting for, it does have plastic wrap on it, unlike these ones right here, so you know it's going to be a little bit more special. This is the case that has a tempered glass screen protector on the back of the phone. It's built in. Alright, guys, so on the back, it does have a tempered glass screen protector on it. So I guess that's pretty cool. It has a little bit more protection. The gloss offers superior protection for the iPhone 10 and unmatched sleekness and it's clean style. All right, so, and it says it has anti-slip, so it's a little bit like, it'll be a little bit more grippy just because of the glossiness of it, I'm guessing. And here's the case. Whoa, whoa! This looks way cooler than I thought it was gonna look, dude. This is actually really interesting, guys. So there is a tempered glass on the back of this right here. It actually looks really, really good. I thought it was gonna look like cheap and like not really that nice, but it actually looks really, really good. And I do like that, actually. I didn't think I was gonna like that gloss, to be honest with you guys, but there's a little window for the Apple logo right there, and it is covered by the tempered glass, so your Apple logo is not gonna get all dirty, and it's not gonna leave a circle on your phone when you take it off, which is really nice, because some cases do that, and it's annoying because it looks bad when you take the case off. So we're just gonna put this case on right here. It honestly is really, really thin, to be honest. It's probably as thin as this one right here. I think it's thinner than the first case that we went over, guys. And it does, wow, dude, I really like this, to be honest. If you guys do like the glass feel on the back of your phone, obviously the iPhone X has back glass on it. If you guys like that feel, you're not gonna lose it with this. It's gonna feel exactly the same pretty much, except you're gonna have a little bit more protection on the sides, obviously, because there is a plastic, case around it. But I do like that feel around it. Like, that actually feels really, really good. It is a little bit more grippy as well, so I do like that. And if you guys are worried about it being scratched, like the glass on it being scratched, because it is glass does scratch eventually. It does have little like edges on each corner, so it does lift up just enough for it to not get scratched when you put it down on the surface like that. So that's a really good touch that they added. Small, but I really do like that they added that. The thing that I'm worried about is if you crack the tempered glass, it's gonna be cracked. So I don't know how. You probably just have to take it off on the case and put a new one on, but honestly I don't think it's gonna crack with this case on it, so I think you honestly be chilling with that. But yeah, I've never seen this case before, and I actually really do like it. It'll probably be my daily case for a while. Another thing that I didn't even notice, it has like grip on the sides of the phone too, right here on each side, as you can see that. So that adds a little bit more grip when you're holding it one-handed. Yeah, dude, I really do like this case. Never seen it before. It's really interesting, and I don't know, what do you guys think? Leave it down in the comments if you're a cop. Also, guys, they are doing a giveaway in the month of March. They're giving away 5 of these cases on the website, so if you guys want to enter in a chance to win one of these cases on the website, the link will be down in the description below. If you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. It really does help out the channel. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. You guys are the best, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.